Meaning of embankment.
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 Embankment. An embankment is a raised area of land that is built to prevent flooding, contain a body of water, or provide a foundation for a roadway or railway. It is typically made of soil and compacted by heavy machinery such as bulldozers. The purpose of an embankment is to create a barrier or support structure that protects against erosion, wave action, and potential floodwaters. Embankments are commonly used in coastal areas, riverbanks, and low-lying terrain to maintain safe and stable ground conditions and prevent damage to surrounding infrastructure and property.